Your financial reality begins with a single thought. It all starts in your mind. Visual of a busy, chaotic life for many of us, money has been a source of stress, fear, and frustration. The scarcity mindset keeps us stuck, believing there is never enough. Enough money. Enough opportunities. Enough time. Scarcity mindset. Visual of a roadblock in front of a traveler, but what if the only thing holding you back is your own mind? What if abundance is not something you achieve, but something you allow? Transition to calm. Open spaces. The difference between scarcity and abundance isn't in the world around you. It's in the way you perceive the world. Visual of a person writing affirmations or setting financial goals to shift from scarcity to abundance. It starts with reprogramming your money mindset. First, identify the limiting beliefs that have held you captive. Thoughts like, money is hard to come by, or I'll never have enough. These are stories you've been telling yourself. Rewrite your money story. Visual of someone meditating, focusing inward to reprogram your mindset. Practice mindfulness. Pay attention to the stories you repeat and begin to challenge them. Replace fear-based thinking with empowering beliefs. Believe in abundance. Visual of someone giving generously, helping others. One of the most powerful ways to cultivate an abundance mindset is through giving. When you give freely, whether it's your time, energy, or resources, you are telling the universe that there is always more than enough to go around. Give freely. Receive abundantly. Visual of successful people working towards their goals. Abundance isn't just about money. It's about opportunities, time, and experiences. Shift your focus from what's missing to what you already have. The more gratitude you feel, the more you invite abundance into your life. Gratitude multiplies abundance. Visual of someone smiling as they open a letter revealing unexpected money or a new job opportunity. When you truly believe that the universe is working in your favor, opportunities and resources will flow to you. You attract what you are. So embrace the mindset of abundance. Reprogramming your money mindset is a journey. It takes patience, practice, and self-awareness. But as you shift from scarcity to abundance, you'll discover that life offers limitless possibilities. Abundance is your birthright, and remember, you are abundant, you are capable, and you are enough. Like, share, subscribe.